Hi, Frankie. Thank you very much for your poem this week. Um, I really like it. I know, I get what you're saying. Like when it comes to foresight, I'm coming up short-handed, but I have to say that the prompt the prompt brought you here to this poem, and I think this poem is a really good poem. Um, I don't think it necessarily follows the prompt, but ultimately, who cares about that? This is about writing. This is about getting something down on the page, and so it doesn't have to be some exacting science where it fulfills every answers every question in the prompt. I think what I like so much about it is sort of the simplicity of it. I really like this first line, now milk tastes wrong. So I will say you're missing an S at the end of taste. Now milk tastes wrong, but my first coffee is strong. I love that. I love that stanza. I love that detail. Starting a poem with now milk tastes wrong is already nostalgic, is already looking back, and it works really well to set up the rest of the lines. Um, I also like your rhyme. I like your rhyme scheme in this. I think it works really well. Um, I will say I like so this simple detail encompassing time, construction and function, I think works really well. It's a little vague, but it works well. I like it. Every day of class, storage of memes, interesting. I think the only thing I would question in this poem is to maybe take out this stanza about volunteering at the library. The work is sweet and complimentary. I think there's something about that rhyme that feels a little forced, and I don't think you need this stanza. I think you could just go from the memes to high school was a time of highs and lows, for better or worse, time flies and goes. I think that's a great way to end it. So that would be my recommendation moving forward with this. I'm really into your poem this week. Thank you so much, Frankie. Also, I wanted to mention that next week is our final portfolio, so please make sure that you review the requirements and email me if you have any questions. Thanks.